You're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website to sell things on Instagram. With the platform that I'm about to show you, you'll be able to sell almost anything online for completely free, as I'll be showing you how to use Fourth Wall. Fourth Wall is a platform that allows users to sell digital products, physical products, or membership for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. And also, there are no monthly fees. And you can see right here that it is used by numerous popular creators, as you can see here, as you'll be able to not only sell your digital products, but you can also set up membership and so much more. Now, if we were to check out their pricing or their features, as I was saying earlier, it is completely free to get started. And if you wanted to sell physical products, you can see that it is 0%. But if you're selling digital products, they would charge a small fee on each transaction that you make of 3%. So you can see right there. And if you are selling membership, they would take a small fee of 5% of each membership that you make. So this is not a lot. So for example, let's say you were to create a membership website and you were to sell your membership for $10, that would work out that they would be taking 5%. So you can see right here that that 5% would only be 50 cents. So you'll still be able to get $9.50. They'll be only taking 50 cents. So you can see that it is quite affordable. Now to get started, all you'll need to do, once on fourthwall.com, you're going to tap on Get Started Now. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you have quite a few options. You can choose to either continue with Google, continue with YouTube, continue with Twitch, or you can sign up with email. We're going to select continue with Google, then we're going to select our Google account. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, from here, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to see the option Products. You're going to tap right there. Once you have tapped on Products, from here, you can tap on Create New Product. After selecting Create New Product, you have three options. You can either choose to do print on demand, in which you'll be able to sell your merch on Instagram or any other platform, or you can choose to sell something that you already have, for example, a physical product. Or you could choose to sell digital products, which would be, for example, like stickers, ebooks, or so on. Now, let's say, for example, we would like to sell a digital product. All we need to do is tap on Sell Digital Product. Then from here, you could add in the product name right here. So I'm just going to add in my product name. I'm just going to call it Test Product. So let me do that real quick. After you have added your product name, you can add in a description right there if you want. And if you would like any additional fields, so you could add additional information, you can tap right there. And from there, if you like to add guarantees and so on, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down, and this is where you're going to select the file that you will be sending to buyers. So you can tap right here. Then from there, you could select the file. So for example, if it was an ebook, this is where you would upload your ebook manuscript. You would simply select the ebook manuscript right there. After you're finished, you will set your price. So you can see that if you're selling an item for $30, you will be receiving $29.10. So they will only be making 90 cents. And you can also add a compare at price if you want. Then from here, you're going to scroll down, and then you'll select drop or browse, and this is where you'd upload the ebook cover. After you have uploaded the ebook cover, you'll simply scroll back up, tap where you see hidden, and you'll make it public, and then you'll be able to copy your URL, and you could paste it in to your Instagram bio. And then from there, once someone taps on your link, they'll come back to Fourth Wall and they could make a purchase. Now, let's say, for example, you don't want to sell ebook or digital products. Instead, you would like to sell merch just like this. All you'll need to do is tap on Create New Product, then tap on Design Something New. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the different products on which you can upload your design on. And don't worry, once you have uploaded your design, they will deal with the printing and delivery and the customer care and all of that. All you have to do is upload your design and choose the product that you would like to add it onto. So for example, if I were to select all products, you can see the different categories right here. So if I were to select drinkware, you can see that you can add it onto coffee mug, you can add it onto water bottle, or so on, or tumblers. There are numerous options you can select from. So let's say for example, we would like to add our design on this dad hat. All you need to do is select the dad hat, then tap on design now. After tapping on design now, from here you could tap on upload image, and then you could upload your design. A platform that I would normally recommend that you go on to create a design would be Canva, as you can go onto Canva and you can create designs for completely free. So for example, if I were to type in hat right here, I could type in hat logo and see what comes up. You will see numerous options, as you can see right there. If I were to type in t-shirt, if you were creating a t-shirt, you would see also different options. So for example, if I were to type in t-shirts right there, you can see different logos or designs that you can choose from. And you can simply select anyone, and then you could edit it and you can upload it onto Fortwall quite quickly. Now let's say for example I wanted to use this one, just for example's sake. You can see that I can also add an embroidery back if I want. You can add it to the left side or right side. Then from there, you're going to tap on next in the top right hand corner. After tapping on next, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to add your product name. So I can add my product name right there. You could add a description, and you could set the price that you would like to sell it for. And you can also see the amount that you will be making right there. So you can see how it looks right there. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish now in the top right hand corner, and that's it. After tapping on publish now, you can see your product page, and all you'll need to do is copy the URL, and from there you could paste it in to your Instagram bio. So for example, if I were to go onto Instagram, select my profile name, then tap on edit profile. After you have tapped on edit profile, you could paste your link right here, and then from there you'll be able to share it. You could paste it right here in the bio, or you could paste it in website right there. And then from there, persons can go onto your website and then they'll be able to make a purchase. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.